Hi guys. Okay, so I've been waiting on this to come in. I'm so excited. NancyTaylor.com. Okay, from the Nancy Taylor shop. And it is my lovely map. And I think I remember ordering the one. And now I'm doing dangerous. I'm kind of like pulling this blade toward me, so I'm going to be very, very careful. I ordered the one with the white background. And I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what we have. I've been waiting for it to come in. And oh, look, it's so great. And I just have the wall for it to go on. Look at that. I think this is the 2x3, so that gives you an idea. Yeah, and I got the one with the grommets. Yeah. No. All right, you guys tell me what you think. Like, comment, tell me what you think. It's gonna, see, the white will look nice because I have the white shelf there and the little plant. I tuck it right there underneath, and I'll need to put some things on the bottom. But look, isn't that pretty? Look at the colors. Nancy Taylor had this designed, and the artist she just did a fabulous job with her watercolors. And you can order this, Nancy Taylor shop. You can get a digital download, or you can get these, this size, with the grommets or without the grommets. You can get it, anyways, there's several options for sizes and all. But just go there. I'll put my link in there. You can click on the link and you can head right there and get one of your very own backdrops. Isn't that nice? Panda, 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 panda. I like it. Oh, penguins, zebra. Oh, lots of referencing here for your class. Yeah, this is good. I like it lots, Nancy. Just love it. Ooh. Check the link. I'm going to put a link in there for you. You can get this. You can get it with the blue background, you know, the blue water, or the white with or without grommets, and at different sizes. You can get the digital copy, and you can take it somewhere and have it printed on your own. Or just go ahead and get Nancy to do it. So much fun. So I found these cute little stars. It's garland, guys, for my wall. Cool. It's gonna look great with my Nancy's map. There it is. You guys give me your honest opinion. Stars or no stars? And do I need to lower the map? Do I need to put the stars above the shelf? Do away with the shelf? Give me some feedback. What do you think? Should it not cover up the word of the world? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I love the map.